Welcome to A Science Moment, your brief dive into the wonders and warnings from the world of science. I'm your host, Professor Gib Bernhardt. Today, we're headed to one of the most remote and crucial areas of our planet, Antarctica, to discuss the Thwaites Glacier, often referred to as the Doomsday Glacier. The Thwaites Glacier is an enormous mass of ice, about the size of Florida, located in West Antarctica. What makes it significant is the volume of ice it holds beyond its grounding line. The grounding line is the critical boundary where the glacier transitions from resting on the bedrock to floating in the ocean. Beyond this line, the ice is more susceptible to melting due to warm ocean currents. Scientists have been closely monitoring this region, as the Thwaites Glacier is already contributing around 4% of annual global sea level rise. But the real concern lies in the vast expanse of ice that could be unleashed if the glacier's stability is further compromised. When the portion on the ocean side of the grounding line breaks off, it will raise sea level by approximately a half a meter or 2 feet. And the ice on the continental side of the grounding line holds enough water to raise global sea levels by approximately 3 to 4 meters, or about 10 to 13 feet. So what does this mean for the United States? With an increase of just a fraction of this potential sea level rise, many U.S. coastal areas would face severe flooding. Florida, with its low average elevation, is particularly vulnerable. Major cities like Miami could see significant portions submerged, displacing millions of residents and causing billions in damage. Other coastal areas along the Gulf Coast and the eastern seaboard, including cities like New Orleans and parts of New York City, also face devastating impacts. The destabilization of Thwaites Glacier is driven by complex processes, including the warming of ocean waters that erode the glacier from below. This undercuts the glacier, making it more likely to collapse and accelerate sea level rise. Scientists are racing against time to understand these dynamics better, as the implications for global coastlines are profound. Understanding the risks associated with Thwaites Glacier isn't just about distant ice. It's about preparing for changes that could directly impact millions of people worldwide. As the ice melts, our window to act narrows, underscoring the urgency of addressing climate change and protecting our coastal communities. That's all for today's A Science Moment. Stay tuned for more insights into how science shapes our world and our future. I'm Professor Gib Bernhardt. Thank you for listening. Until next time, stay curious. The background soft instrumental music is Time by Hans Zimmer.